Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by the SLUI EdTech team. In this particular video, I'm going to give you a brief overview about the Canvas Gradebook. To access your Canvas Gradebook, you will select the course for which you want to enter grades, and from the left navigation column, you're going to select the Grades tab. Only graded assignment, graded discussion, quizzes, and graded survey that have been published will appear into the gradebook. If you have an assignment that is not published, it will not appear into the gradebook. The gradebook is composed of three main sections. We have up here, the main section over here, one, which is the way you can organize your gradebook. Two, the student area, and three, the actual grading portion. When you open up the gradebook, by default, the gradebook will open up with a list of all of your students and all of the grades. You can switch view of the gradebook to individual view to see individual student grades. Also, if you teach multiple sections of a particular course and you have cross-listed this section together under one, you will be able to see individual sections for a particular course by clicking on the top right, Show All Section, and then click the section that you want to view the grades. If you want to view grade for a particular time period, you will select a particular grading period in the top left corner of your screen. Grading period are the equivalent of semester or quarter into PowerSchool. Let's switch to the setting portion of your gradebook. View grading history will allow you to see the grading history for a particular assignment. If any grade has changed, let's say a student turned in an assignment and then there has been a revision for that particular assignment. Two, you can hide the student names. Three, you can have the option to arrange your column by either date or by assignment group. For our particular institution, concluded enrollment and inactive enrollment really do not apply, so we're going to skip over these two. And the last one is the show note column. If you click on the show note column, a note column will appear beside the name of the student, which will allow you to enter comments for a particular student. Let's move on to the student information portion of your gradebook. For student information, the gradebook displays each student name and section. The names are sorted by first name, last name, but you'll also be able to sort them any way you want by just clicking the icon on the bottom left of the student name tab. So you're able to sort them alphabetically. Also, beside the student name, you have a secondary ID. In our particular case, the secondary ID is the PowerSchool student number, or the student number, and yes, you can sort them also by the secondary ID. And if you have enabled the notes underneath the settings, you're going to be able to see the notes column beside the student name. Once again, the notes allow you to enter maybe a comment for a particular student. Keep in mind that notes do not transfer to PowerSchool comment. If you click on a particular student, you're going to be able to see individual student grade for that particular student for your class. It will give you a better idea about assignment for that particular student. It will give you different analytics for that particular student on all of the assignment that he took in your class. If underneath the settings of your course you have enabled the test students, the test student account will appear at the end of all of your student name. The test students does not affect any analytics for your student course. It's just a way for you to see your course from a student perspective. The next portion into the gradebook is the actual gradebook itself and how to enter grade. Once you have created an assignment, the assignment column will appear into your gradebook. At this point, you're ready to enter grades for that particular assignment. Depending what kind of assignment you created, you'll be able to enter either points, percentile, letter grade, complete or incomplete, etc. Once the grades are entered into the column, you have additional options. You can see assignment detail in case you need to make any correction to the assignment. You can open up the speed grader. I will have a separate video for the speed grader. You can message student based on a particular criteria. Maybe you want to message students that have not been graded yet. Or maybe you want to message students that have scored below a particular grade. Or maybe you want to message students that have scored above a particular grade. You can also set a default grade for that particular assignment. You can curve grades, and you can mute an assignment. By default, Canvas allows students to see assignment grades as soon as the instructor has graded the assignment. In some cases, maybe you want to all the student grades until all the assignments have been graded, and then release the grade to all students. To hide the student grade temporarily, you as an instructor can choose to mark the assignment as muted. Student can still submit an assignment, but their grade will be hidden until all the assignments are graded. Like in PowerSchool, you can enter comments for a particular student on a particular assignment. On the column where the assignment is created, for each one of the students, in the top right corner, you will notice there is a little blue icon. If you click on it, it will open up another box. In this particular box, you are able to enter a comment for a particular grade, and you're also able to upgrade the grade if you want to change a particular grade. Once you have entered all of the grade for your assignment or multiple assignment, you're ready now to post grade to PowerSchool. Post grade means that grades will transfer from the Canvas Gradebook into the PowerSchool Gradebook. To post grade, you will click the Post Grade button. A box will appear notifying you of the assignment that will transfer. If there are any error with any of the assignment, for example, there is a missing post due date, or the assignment title is too long, you will be a warning message beside the assignment, and it will allow you to make the correction right here in this box. When you're ready to post, you will click Post Grades. At this point, it will take a few minutes, and then all of the assignment will transfer into PowerSchool.